The Huawei Mate 30 series and the Porsche design Huawei Mate 30 Arias are all set to be introduced on September 19th at an event in Germany. And as we come closer and closer to the launch date, leaks are flooding in, giving out more information on its specs, its design, the case and lot more. So without keeping you waiting anymore, let's get started. The Mate 30 Pro will get the waterfall display, which has no side bezels and comes with a negligible bottom bezel and a wide notch up top housing sensors for 3D facial recognition and cameras. About the buttons on Mate 30 Pro, it will potentially lack volume rockers to accommodate said design. Instead, it will be using touch sensitive areas. On the back, it has circular housing for camera sensors and a xenon flash. The rumored size for the Mate 30's screen is 6.71 inches, or at least between 6.6 and 6.8 inches according to more recent leak. And as you know, it will be using a waterfall AMOLED display with either Full HD Plus or Quad HD Plus resolution, but it makes more sense if it's Quad HD Plus. It will probably come with 90Hz refresh rate panel, and there will also be an in-display fingerprint scanner. The CPU will be Kirin 995G, and there will be 8GB and 12GB RAM variant and 128GB and 512GB of internal storage. The back of the Mate 30 Pro looks unique as it gets a large rounded module to house quad cameras. And as per leaks, it will house a 40MP Sony IMX600 main sensor, 40MP wide cine camera, 8MP telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom and a 3D time of flight sensor. And also there is a large xenon flash. On the front there is 32MP selfie shooter, an ultra wide angle camera and a 3D time of flight sensor as well. As for battery, it will come with 4500 mAh battery with 40W supercharge and 30W super wireless charge, and it will charge through USB-C port. The upcoming Huawei phone will ship with EMUI 10 based on Android 10 operating system as per the leak. Now here the things get interesting. Google has confirmed that Mate 30 series will not come pre-installed with apps such as Gmail, Google Play Store, YouTube, Google Hangouts, Google Maps, etc. It remains unknown how the company plans to pitch its forked Android interface for these devices. The P30 Pro is IP68 rated, so it follows that Huawei would put their water dust proofing knowledge into their phablet flagship too. The ability to reverse wireless charge is new, and the RAM capacity is noteworthy because Huawei historically hasn't put large amount of RAM into its phone. Even the foldable Mate X or Mate 20X just has 8GB of RAM. And there is one little disappointment, that is the use of mono speaker and not the dual stereo speaker. So that's Mate 30 Pro. If you liked the video, then please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Peace out.